Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Splice app. You click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you search about Splice and you click here. In this page of app on file you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you